Hey, y'all. Come on in. This your girl Pauline, my crafting hut, coming to you with another concept. This time I got this basket here from the Family Dollar. I bought three or four of these when they had them on sale. So I stuffed it with my paper at the bottom. Well, there's a box in the middle, paper around it, and then this is my surface. Okay, so come with me while I make this concept happen. So on the front, I also put a butterfly using glue sticks or glue dots. Yeah, a butterfly. This I got from Hobby Lobby last year on the 90% sale. So I'm going to use this as a backing. Peel that off. I'll use that right here. And then I have this roll that I got from CVS. I took the price off it. And I'm going to leave it wrapped just like this. Yeah. And I'm going to place that right there. I don't want it to lean, so I'll have to straighten that up a little. Adjust my. Okay, there. All right. So yeah, so we're going to place that there. Let me see if I can adjust this camera. Okay. Yeah. All right. I also is that the mail? Just put it over there for me. I'm recording. Okay. I have this cup. I'm going to use. Place that right there. I I have this. I also got this. I believe I got this from Dollar General when they had their 90% off. So I'm going to use this. I stuffed it with paper and I'm going to place that right there. Let me stand up a little bit so I can better show. Yeah. I have two. Oh. And what I decided to do with this here is I'm going to use the Dollar Plus products, the vanilla sugar scent. I'm going to use the body wash right there, as well as the body scrub. And I'm just going to place those in there like that. Okay. These are the bath bombs that I took out of the package and rewrap them in cellophane paper. I'm going to put those right there. Okay, so it's coming together. Now let's see. I have here. Oh, so I got this from Pop Shelf, 90% off. So I'm going to use this, and I want to place it right there. And in here, I put my loofah, in there. And I have these socks that I'm going to place. I think I can place it right there. And I'm leaving that on so they can see it is a pair of socks and that is ladies. It's ladies socks. So yeah, I'm going to place that there like that. Let's see, what else do I have? I do want to use this. So I'm thinking, place that over on the side there. Have a piece of tape on here. There. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and place that there. And I'm going to use this as a filler. I'm going to place it right there. I have this candle. Go sit down, baby. Go sit down. Go sit down, Tom. I have these candles that I got from Ollie's a while back. They smell pretty good. I'm going to use this. Yeah. So take the price off. Okay. I'm thinking that I'm going to put that, I'll bring that half. Take more of this price tag off. Okay. So I'm going to place that right there. And I think that's going to be it. I have this prayer card that I thought about putting in here. And I think I'm going to place it right there. But first I need to cover up the price. Give me a second. Okay, so I covered the price tag, and we're going to place this prayer card right in here. There we go, right there. Okay, so yes, I think this is the concept. So I'm going to put some shred in there. Let's see if I one more thing. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to put some thread, add my thread to it. And I'm thinking this gold and white will go good with the colors. So let's make this magic happen here. I'm not going to glue anything down because it's pretty tight in here. And I believe that I'm going to shrink wrap this. So there really wouldn't be any need to glue this down. Put a little thread in there. So go and sit down, Mom. Go play on your tablet. Ooh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. My throat decided to tickle on me. So yeah. So yeah, y'all. So this is the concept. So go and sit down, baby. Go on. So yeah, this is the concept, y'all. So so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this off camera, and then I'll go ahead and post a short showing the end result. So tell me what you think about this, y'all. So come on, get down from here. Trying to get into my say, yeah. Come on, get down from here. So yeah. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll hit the like and subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that comment button. I'd like to hear from you. For all of my subscribers, I thank you for coming back and supporting the girl. I do appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and don't plan on it, I thank you for stopping by to see what I'm doing on my channel. And I hope you'll go ahead and like the video anyways. So I thank you all for your continuous support. And until my next video, I'm going to say God bless and see you. Bye.